I beg you, oh, me guide them father. Make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me Jehovah, Father protect your soul. Can't stop me 'cause me heart too quick. Can't kill me 'cause me heart too quick.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you are a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be slaying this black synthetic wavy wig from Aisi Queens, sold by Sue Exquisite. Okay, this is an Amazon wig and it was only $17.99. Okay, so when I got this wig, I didn't realize the type of parting space that it had, and usually these type of wigs, people with hair on their head get them, because then they could put the wig behind their hairline and they can use their natural hair to cover the little lump that it has. But before I start, I want to get these curls together so I can see what this wig is really looking like, because on Amazon it just has the curls loose, just hanging there. But as you can see, as I'm brushing it, it kind of has like this soft look roller set type vibe going on. Alright, so let's get started on fixing this little parting space and this little lumpy humpy thing right here. So first I'm going to start with cutting this little piece of material thing, this little strip right here. Alright, once that little piece of fabric is cut off, then I was able to cut the little parting space thingy so that it could unfold. And then after it was able to unfold, then I just cut that whole folded part off. Then I decided to pluck the part. The part was okay, but I wanted it to be a little bit wider. And I was using the tweezers at first, but it was hurting my hand. So that's why you can see me ripping the hair out in some parts. After I was done making that part a little bit wider, then I grabbed my Pro Conceal in the color Fawn and just used that to color in my part so it can match my skin tone. And this is how it turned out. Then once I was done with the parting space and all, I tried the wig on and decided to cut layers. And this is the finished look. Okay. Shout out to Aisi Queens for sending me this wig. If you're interested in purchasing your own, they have so many different colors to choose from. I'll be sure to leave a link for it in my description box below. Thank you so much for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much. Mwah.